Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 proven ways to make money using the power of digital marketing. A lot of people have this misconception that digital marketing is only limited to a career option. But buddy, there's a lot you can do with digital marketing. So what it can be? Basically, I also use digital marketing to make money in 3 ways. 1. I switched my career from engineering to digital marketing, became a full-time employee, worked in few MNCs and earned. After 3 years, I started my freelancing. I used the same digital marketing skill like social media marketing, website building, SEO to also promote my freelancing business and attract the clients. Well, the third way I made money as a digital marketer is by launching my online education business. Now I call it Counselling Academy, where I'm selling my digital marketing courses, and I already coach 5,000 plus students, business owner, artists to use power of digital marketing to slay their career, their business, or their passion. Well, if this is also what you're aspiring to, if you really want to earn in lakhs in upcoming months, then this video is going to give you the complete roadmap and what are the certain ways through which you can make money with a lot of freedom to maybe work from anywhere, to transform your passion into a business. So let's just get started with the very first proven strategy, which is the easiest one for anyone to make money through digital marketing. Is definitely start offering this service to other brands and help them scale. Well, if you're a fresher and you don't have any prior experience, degree or certification, don't at all worry about it, because there's a space for outsiders in digital marketing. It's the most easiest skill. Even if you're having no technical background, you will be able to grasp the knowledge. So first responsibility you have to take is choose the right digital marketing skill, because digital marketing is really very vast. You have to choose certain skill, become proficient at that particular expertise and call yourself as a specialist. Now if you're looking for those skills which are easy to learn, profitable, evergreen and demanded, then you must go with content writing or social media or SEO, or maybe all together of them to become a one-stop solution for a company. After you choose your skill, definitely you have to invest your time in acquiring the skill. And when you are learning, you must build your sample work, which we also call the practice work, so that even without having any experience or degree, you can prove your knowledge. But when a client counter you with this question that, hey, you haven't done any work for any client, how am I going to trust you? Don't worry. You can offer them free trial service or the sample assignment that will help you to justify your knowledge. After you have sample work ready, then what you have to do is build your online stage. Well, every artist needs a stage to perform, and so do you. So what you can do, you can go on social media, you can choose certain platform, example LinkedIn or Instagram, optimize your profile, start producing your content. You can attract a lot of potential brands to work, and this is how you can get started. But this is a very quick roadmap, and I understand you may not be getting a clear strategy right from here, so don't worry. I have made a video on how to start your career as a digital marketer and a freelancer that you can watch directly by clicking on the above link I'm going to share somewhere, but also you will get the links in my description. So pause this video if this is your desire that I want to become a service provider, maybe as a freelancer or a full-time, then those videos can definitely help you a lot. Now let's move to our next proven way to make money through digital marketing is launching your agency. Now, well, a lot of people think that you're only limited to offering a service as a freelancer or maybe a full-time employee, but how about you open an agency where maybe you're collaborating with other freelancer or expert and take a bulk project work for the big brands while shaking hands with each other. But before you open an agency, make sure that you are having at least 5 to 10 live project experience or have at least 1 year of experience as a full-time employee, so that you will be able to solely work for the brands, because you're not the individual who is going to build the reputation, but it's about an agency, it's about your business. How you communicate, what results you drive is definitely going to matter a lot. So be prepared before you open an agency. And definitely for having an agency and promote it online, you need a social media presence of that particular brand, and you must have a website. Okay, and don't worry at all about it if you are not in a mood to invest any single penny on a website. You can build it for free, or maybe with some bare minimum invest of around 1,500 on CMS website like Wix or WordPress. because I built my website all by myself. If you want to check it, you can just simply go to www.gautamprachi.com and check how it seems like. Well, coming back to the point, you are ready to set up an agency. If you have your fellow friends or other digital marketers or freelancers friend who are in this industry of digital marketing, so you guys can open an agency all together and work and make 10 times even more. Sounds great, correct? Now, the third proven way to make money online using digital marketing is founding a startup. Now, if you are a person who is having a skill to make handmade product, or if you are an artist and you want to sell painting, or maybe if you have a specific creative skill like of interior designing or fashion blogging, you want to style people and you want to promote your service and work for the brands and individuals, or if you just want to sit at your home and promote others' businesses through affiliate marketing, then you have a lot of chances to make money. So whether it's a product or a service or a skill, while sitting at the corner of your home, you can make a global brand by reaching to the target audience pan India or maybe every single corner of the world. That's what the digital marketing power is nowadays. The setup you need to found a startup is you need a website, you need a specific social media platform, you need the skills like of content writing, to write web copy or blogs to promote your product or services, and definitely an SEO skill that will help you the top search engine page and grab tons of traffic and convert those visitors into the client. It means not only you can set up a profitable career in digital marketing, but you can definitely open an agency or found a startup. You just have to figure it out what you are actually looking for and you're ready to go. And if you have made up your mind that I want to at least do something, I want to earn money, I want to earn in lakhs at least in coming 6 months, then you have to get yourself started today by powering up yourself with these lucrative skills like content writing, social media, SEO, copywriting. And for that, well, I can help you. As I mentioned, I'm 6 years experienced digital marketer. I already worked with 200 plus brands and I already coached 5,000 plus students. It means you can be the next buddy where we can hold our hand together and grow digitally. So if you would like to check out the course details, visit my website and choose a specific skill that inspires you and go build your online presence. Or if you want to get tips on a daily basis for free on digital marketing, you can watch my other YouTube videos where I have shared tons of strategy. Most of the bonus tip I share on a daily basis on my Instagram, where you can follow me at @gautamprachi.co and leverage all those skills to scale your business, your career or agency. Cool? Go for it. Wait, before you leave, I would also like you to please shower some love to this baby channel because your support can matter a lot to me. So please like, subscribe this channel and share it with someone who can also scale through digital marketing. And last but not the least, if there is any specific request on a topic that you want me to make a video on, I would be happy to take your recommendation. So my comment box is waiting for your suggestions. So please go comment it down and share your love. Bye bye.